floor is yours, Judge.
Okay, thank you. But let me tell you just a very brief thing about myself, and then tell you why I'm doing this. I am the judge of the 453rd District Court here in Hays County. It's the newest district court in Hays County. It's been in existence about 20 months. Before that, I was a practicing litigation lawyer, handling mostly civil cases, some family law cases. Then I opened my practice in Wimberley in 2002, and about a third of my practice was family law. The rest was general civil law. I tell you that because my practice was very broad and included some CPS cases. I would have some clients who their rights were subject to being terminated. Sometimes I represented grandparents in CPS cases, those types of things. The significance of that is I worked a lot with CASA advocates as a trial lawyer. And I can tell you how significant what y'all do as a trial lawyer is. In other words, y'all are perceived, and because you are, kind of an unbiased, neutral party. We listen to what y'all have to say, what your recommendations will be, and those types of things. Then not too long ago, I was fortunate, blessed, honored to be able to serve as a director on the CASA Board of Directors. So I got to see from that perspective kind of what goes on behind the scenes, how much work really goes into what y'all do and how you do it. My wife was a CASA, so I got to see from that perspective, again, what y'all do, how you do it, pressures that are put on you, and those types of things. And now for the last 20 months, I've been a judge, and so I've gotten to see from that perspective what it is that you do and how you do it and how important what you do is. So I'm pretty uniquely qualified to be able to tell you that you cannot overstate the significance of what y'all are about to do. Judges rely on you, the lawyers rely on you, the parties rely on you, and above all else, the kids do. So thank you very, very much for what y'all have done and are about to do. We really, really do appreciate what you're doing. And it might sometimes seem a little overwhelming or intimidating. Don't let that bother you at all. You've already beat 90% of the battle. Because part of the battle is being concerned, is caring about what you're doing. And y'all wouldn't have gone through the process you've already gone through if you didn't care. So again, thank you very much. Now, I know y'all didn't come to listen to me say that, but I do want you to know how much we appreciate what you do. Now, I'm about to ask you to raise your right hands and then to repeat after me. And the first thing I'm going to ask you to repeat after me is I state your name. And I'm telling you to actually state your name, not say I state your name. And I'm telling you to do that because a long time ago, almost 25 years ago, I was in front of a federal judge getting sworn in Houston, Texas, and did exactly what I'm telling y'all not to do. So if you'll each raise your right hands and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Della Doolin Hall,
Do hereby solemnly promise and pledge
do hereby solemnly promise and pledge
that I will faithfully execute the duties
that I will faithfully execute the duties
of court-appointed special advocate
of court-appointed special advocate
as assigned and appointed by a district court of the state of Texas.
by a district court of the state of Texas.
I will, to the best of my ability,
I will, to the best of my ability,
preserve the confidentiality
preserve the confidentiality
of any and all information received
of any and all information received,
holding all such matters
holding all such matters
in strictest confidence,
in strictest confidence,
to be divulged only in accordance
to be
divulged only in accordance
with the rules and guidelines of the courts
with the rules and guidelines of the courts,
and then only in the furtherance
and
and then only in the furtherance
of the best interest of the child.
of the best interest of the child.
I furthermore promise and pledge that
I furthermore
Furthermore, promise and pledge that
in carrying out my duties as court-appointed special advocate
in carrying out my duties as a court-appointed special advocate,
the paramount concern will be
the paramount concern will be
the best interest of the child or children
the best interest of the child or children
to whom I am assigned.
to whom I am assigned.
Thank you and congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.